My lord, this is the first bail application under section 439, my lord. Offenses are under section 363, 366A, 376(2)(n) of IPC and 3456 of the POSCO Act, my lord. My lord, as per the 164 statement, my lord, I will read out the statement. अभियुक्त मुझे बोलता था कि मैं तुम्हें पसंद करता हूँ, तुमसे शादी करना चाहता हूँ। अभियुक्त ने मुझसे पोड़की आने के लिए कहा। मैं दिनांक 25/4/24 को गई थी। इस दिनांक को मैं अपने घर यह बोलकर गई थी कि मैं स्कूल जा रही हूँ। मैं मिर्चादार से बस में बैठकर पोड़की पहुंच गई। जिस जगह पोड़की में उतरी थी वहां अभियुक्त लेने आ गया था। अपने साथ मुझे पैदल ही अपने घर लेके गया था। उसके घर में कोई नहीं था। अभियुक्त के घर लगभग 1 बजे पहुंची थी। अभियुक्त ने मेरे साथ उस दिन कोई गलत काम नहीं किया। फिर अभियुक्त मुझे दूसरे दिन अपनी बहन से मिलवाने ले गया था। दूसरे दिन अभियुक्त की बहन शाम तक वापस चली गई थी। उसी दिन मेरे और अभियुक्त के बीच मेरी सहमति से शारीरिक संबंध बने थे। अभियुक्त ने मेरे साथ जबरदस्ती नहीं की थी। फिर अगले दिन भी मेरे और अभियुक्त के बीच संबंध बने थे। अभियुक्त ने मेरे साथ कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं की थी। मैं अभियुक्त के घर 3 दिन रुकी थी। फिर तीसरे दिन मैं बस में बैठकर अपने सहेली के घर आ गई थी। उसके बाद मैं अपने सहेली के घर धोबे में 3 दिन 4 दिन रुकी थी। वहां से बस में बैठकर अपने नानी के घर खन्नादी चली गई थी। मैं नानी के घर 2 दिन रुकी थी। फिर नानी के घर से मुझे पुलिस
एज क्या है?
My lord,
My lord, date of birth is 5/12/2009 and date of incidence is 26/4/24. Age is approx
15.
14 years some months.
So what is the, whether her consent is material? She is only 14 years old.
My lord, in fact, she may be, but my lord, the fact remains, my lord, in the 164, my lord, there is no whispering with regard to any forceful or any seduction.
Nee, that's all right. That's all right. Her consent is immaterial. Even if for the sake of argument it is assumed that she was a consenting party.
My lord, in fact,
That's why law has been made for this purpose. If
My lord-
the prosecutrix is below 18 years of age, her consent is immaterial, inconsequential.
my lord, but had it been a case where the prosecutrix, the applicant was knowing about her age, in fact, my lord, when the prosecutor herself is representing herself to be a major one and my lord indulging into a relationship, certainly, my lord, it may not be a case. My lord, it is not a case like this that the person, my lord, has taken up forcibly and misrepresenting
No,
some girl.
even if she would have been above 16 years of age, then there will be a
My lord,
difference.
there
But
is
she's
no
a
whispering
14
in
years
the-
old girl.
My lord, what I submit, there is no whispering in the head in her entire statement.
Nahi,
And applicant is also aged about 20 to 21 year, my lord.
nahi, that's all right. But
My lord, he is not
girl
the age of
girl is 14 years only, no.
no, 15 years, my lord, certainly 15 years.
14 years.
If my lord may please to see her statement only, my lord, there is no
Yes.
allegation, my lord, with regard to it.
Well, 14 years girls
My lord,
are
certainly, my lord is
She is
thinking,
a-
my lord, out of the
innocent.
my lord, in fact, right now, my lord, due to the urbanization and in fact, my lord, the modernization of the society, my lord, certainly, my lord, these age certainly may be there, but they're much mature enough more than the major, my lord, with regard to these things, my lord. It is only, my lord, for the purpose of enjoyment, they are taking their relationship, my lord. It is nowhere a case, my lord, where any person is indulging into a sexual relationship because of, my lord, any some benefit or because of some, in fact, my lord, to get some
Mr.
privilege over.
Counsel, even as per the law, even the sex with the wife, if she is below 18 years of age, is an offense.
My lord, that has been, in fact, my lord, that has been amended later on. Earlier, it was not a rape, even a 16,
now it-
75, 75
Now law is
section was there.
Now law is there.
Now, yes, right now, my lord, we can say the law has changed.
And this DNA report is positive.
Yes, my lord, we are not disputing a relationship to at all. The main, only, my lord, the hurdle come in my way, my lord, only the age. But, my lord, the relationship, my lord, in fact, the present
That's all
applicant,
right. That's why age is very material in
the
such cases.
applicant was also aged about 20, 21 year by, my lord.
Oh, that's why you
My
are,
lord, they entered into, my lord, had it
they are
been a case, my lord,
more than 7 years older.
my lord, what I submit? Had it been a case, my lord, where my lord, he is 6 year older. My lord, had it been a case, my lord, where any person had taken up by misrepresenting her, she is voluntarily going out of the house through bus, my lord, to my house, my lord. Certainly, it is a case, my lord, where she voluntarily want to enjoy the relationship whatsoever, my lord, reason known to them. But my lord, herein it is not a case that I had gone to the house of the prosecutor and taken her to the particular place.
No, Mr. Counsel.
It is nowhere, my lord, कि मैंने उसको ले जाके कहीं जब ले गया हूँ, वो खुद मेरे घर आई।
No, that's all right, but no. She is only 14 years old, but लिखिए।
My lord, then after statement, if my lord may consider it.
अभी तो नहीं दे रहे।
नहीं तो आफ्टर स्टेटमेंट दे दीजिएगा।
Wait for विड्रॉ करवा।
आफ्टर इज अकॉर्डिंग ऑफ स्टेटमेंट कर दे।
देखेंगे अभी नहीं, एज इसकी एज कम है बच्चे की, थोड़ा 16 ईयर्स से अबव एज हो तो एक बात समझ में आती है।
सर लेकिन सोसाइटी का जो बदलाव हो रहा है वो सर आपकी एज में या मेरी एज में
So now there must be change in law. We are bound by the law.
I was sharing my experience when we used to be teenagers and going to a school. Certainly, my lord, we were not used to stare at a girl. Right now, my lord, the tradition has come. Now the my lord, 14, 15 years girls are entering into a relationship, having girlfriend, boyfriend of each of them. And that is a tradition and the my lord, modernization of the society which we are adopting,
Mr.
the
Counsel.
Western culture.
Mr. Counsel, press for change in the law itself.
And we can't do it, my lord. Is very much aware, my lord. That right now, what is the modernization?
It is the job of legislation to change the law.
Certainly, my lord. Maybe. Yes.
Next.